Do your jeans fit perfectly, except they're just a little too long? The best part? You don't have to cut off the original hem. Today, I'll show you 2 easy hand sewing methods to shorten your jeans while keeping the factory hem exactly as it is. Let's get started. Fold the pant leg up to your desired length. Take a moment to make sure both sides are even before you begin sewing. I'm sewing all the way around the pant leg using small, even stitches. Try to keep the stitches close together for a neat and durable finish. By the way, where are you watching from today? I'd love to know your city or country. Have you ever repaired your own jeans before, or is this your first time? We're almost all the way around. I'm using blind stitches to secure the folded hem. The stitches are almost invisible from the outside, giving the jeans a clean, professional finish. These stitches help prevent the fold from shifting while also giving the inside a cleaner finish. If this tutorial is helping you, I'd really appreciate a quick like. It helps my channel reach more people who enjoy sewing. And here's the finished result. The original hem stays exactly the way it was, so the alteration is almost impossible to notice from the outside. If you're happy with this finish, you can stop here. But if you'd like to see another easy way to hem jeans without cutting the original hem, let me show you one more method. First, measure the finished length carefully. Don't forget to measure the width of the original hem as well. This helps both pant legs match perfectly. Now fold the fabric to the measured length and tuck the extra fabric neatly inside. Using the same stitching technique, sew all the way around the pant leg. Have you ever hemmed your own jeans before, or is this your very first time? Don't worry if your stitches aren't perfectly even. Once the jeans are on, the hem will look clean and natural. here's the finished result. Both pant legs are now the same length, and the original factory hem is completely preserved. No cutting, no sewing machine, and no one will ever know they were shortened. Which method do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy easy sewing tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. I share new DIY clothing repair ideas every week. Thank you so much for sewing with me today. Take care, happy sewing, and I'll see you in my next video.